Hello folks, it's Rich here, novice guitarist with his TE-90 FLT Megatron. The amp is just set up, it's not even on the clean channel, it's not on any channel, it's just raw state. 12 o'clock on the bass to treble the gain. The volume and tone on the amp, on the guitar, are turned up to the top. Just going to play a few chords so you can have a little hear of what it's like just in its raw state. So, it's darkish, it's punchy-ish. Turn the volume down on the guitar, cleans it up a little bit more. But yes, it's kind of mid-range tones, maybe that's what Filtertrons are all about, with my first experience of them. But yes, darkish, not too dark, brightish, not too bright. I like them. I like them, and they take gain as well as. Anyway, that was not the point of this video. So yes, there we go. Just a few chords, jangle, 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 and I'm so far very impressed with this guitar. It's super comfortable. It's not too heavy. Belly cutout's great. Neck feels amazing. The frets are reasonably well polished. Could do with a bit more. It's not holding tune overly well right now, but cold, hot, strings still need a bit of bedding in perhaps. But yeah, nice guitar and nice sounds. Thank you, bye, waffling, bye.